In this video, we will solve integration of exponential function. So the problem is integral of 3 to the power of x squared times 2x dx. So first, let x squared as u. So let u is equal to x squared. So we will find its derivative. So du is equal to 2x dx. So dx is just du over 2x. Then we can substitute the value of dx and du sa ating integral. So integral of 3 to the power of u times 2x, then ang dx natin is du over 2x. So du over 2x, then we can cancel that 2x. So ang remaining na lang is integral of 3u du. So para makuha natin ang integral ng 3 to the power of u is i-follow natin yung formula dito. So 3 is just Ra and u is just u. So au or just the 3, then ln 3 plus c. Then we can replace the value of u as x squared. So the answer is 3x squared over ln 3 plus c. So this is the final answer.